Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2019 Sunseeker 2650. So we're inside the 2019 2650 Sunseeker. Great little coach. Walk around bed in the back. Two-door refrigerator with the freezer on top. Nice bathroom separated. We've got this really nice lighter wood in this coach. This coach is equipped with solar. It's got a nice oven, cooktop, and also a nice sink with an extension for doing dishes. We have a booth with a table that turns into a bed, and really nice no carpeting in this coach. Up front, we've got two twin beds up front. You could put another mattress in between here to make it one big giant bed, but it's nice if you have the separation between the two beds, especially if you got a couple kids that butt heads once in a while. This gives them a little distance between each other when they're sleeping. Great little coach here. Perfect for the family to head up into the mountains or over to the beach and have a great experience and have a lot of fun. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Again, Ken.Quick, coach. Give me a call, 208-250-8625. Let's talk about this coach or any other coach we have here at Guaranty RV. Have a great day.